bringing together leaders and representatives from the various sector, breaking new ground in the pursuit of good local governance. DILG Misamis Occidental convened its first ever sub-LGRRC MSAC organizational meeting led by DILG Provincial Director and sub-LGRC Manager Director Pablo L. Benitez. The event highlighted the power of collaboration and knowledge sharing as it marked the start of an innovative journey to empower communities and drive sustainable progress in the province.
But this program has been established and implemented, but of course at the national and the regional level, back in 2000, in the middle of 2005.
The sub-LGRC focal persons presented the department's MC number 2022-052. The presentation outline covered the LGRC background, its guiding principles, purpose, components and services, structure and functions and facilities. Provincial Director Pablo Benitez emphasized the importance of stakeholders' engagement, highlighting that there is no single institution that has the monopoly of knowledge, hence the need for convergence through the sub-LGRC.
Hindi na kinahanglan mag-exist in silos. No? We need to harmonize our efforts. We will not do it alone. There is this platform called LGRC na mo yung tabang para mas magaan na ang trabaho mo ginabakita. Compete with you. LGRC is not a competitor sa inyong mga mandate or inyong mga. But we will complement. Like, for example, if you do some packaging, it would be, it's very important na maibala namin because there are LGUs, even outside our AOR, that wala pa siguro yung mga plans na kinakalan pa nato i-assist. We can tap you to help instead of pag yung pamilya o grupo parang mo assist sana, we will not duplicate. No? We will harmonize. No?
With the MSAC partners, the meeting fostered dynamic discussions and shared commitments to advancing local development initiatives.
Expenses of the government will not be duplicated in certain areas. Now that we have this, that we can talk.
I commend for initiating this and with this MSAC to massively push through because we are willing naman to share, especially on the website. So for the LGRC, Misamis Occidental, there will be a website for recommendation. It should also be the best practices, the sharing of the information na exactly may mga confidential na talaga ng mga. But then, this is part of strengthening the effective collaboration of the LGRC. So, marami po kami mga sharing on the information that will benefit the 5 trusts for provision of the government.
With regards to the MSAC, diba, there's no meets and bounds yet, kaya wala may template na gina-follow. We are to put our own template din para maka-proceed. Then, basically, ang ato ang stakeholders or ang external interested parties will be the local government units, which will be the primary alliance, then for the MSAC we believe that the sharing of knowledge or knowledge management will be a boost of opportunity para sa mga limited resources on the parts of the MSAC members na dili na to ma-reach out ang atong clients through our limited resources. It will be the LGRC will be an avenue to better enhance or mas ma-widen pa ang scope sa ato ang knowledge sharing.
We can share to you so that the LGUs and the residents, the local residents, can avail of the different services of the dementia centers and other programs of DTI, and we can easily disseminate the information through this platform, through this local governance resource center.
The historic gathering is only the beginning. The sub-LGRC is set to be a platform for transformative partnerships, cultivating a culture of excellence and synergy across Misamis Occidental. Among its major commitment is the creation of knowledge products for our local government units and the sharing of communities of practice, showcasing exemplary models worthy of emulation.
Objective availability of the knowledge products na accessible din sa mga pinakang purpose na accessible din siya sa atong mga clients, sa atong labi na sa local government units. The things na atong buhaton siguro mag-formalize na is to create a documentation team. To help in the documentation of the best practices, that is also knowledge creation. Nga ibutang nato sa atong mga website, para nga kaya mga awards nato, alang ibang site nato, awards, those are worthy of replication. Katong mga website, for example, you can share your website to the LGRC para rin siya one-stop shop. Like for example, si TESTA, si DTI, I know you have your services and I know there are some LGUs asking what are the services that you can offer right now in Manila. So, ibutang natin nila para makita sa tanan, one-stop shop in terms of local governance. Makita na tanan. And then if we are interested, like si Federation President, interested siya about insay po nila kung matawag ang salesperson, hindi na siya manawag na ako muna na. You can always just look at the LGRC and look at the database of the community practice, the experts, and with their contact details. So inaral na itong pag-facilitate LGRC.
Another key highlight of the meeting was the presentation of the draft Memorandum of Understanding, laying the groundwork for this year's ceremonial signing. This milestone aims to institutionalize the sub-LGRC as a convergence platform in Misamis Occidental. In his closing message, Provincial Director Benitez underscored the essence of synergy and collaboration through this platform. He shared a clear and inspiring vision. The sub-LGRC is here to help, not to reinvent the wheel, but to refine and enhance. By building on proven practices and encouraging partnerships, the sub-LGRC stands as a catalyst for innovation and a steadfast support system for local government units, paving the way for excellence in local governance.
Rest assured that we will not compete kung sinaamo. Ang purpose is implementation and harmonization. Kaya we can always do some other things because there are lots of things in local governance. Kaya wala na pala natin na-explore. We will not reinvent the wheel, no? Kung silaan na nila, hindi na tamaguhan pag-zero pa ta. Kundi we will build on what we have and try to improve, no? By way of our engagement. Ina na nga ito mindset na hindi na mag-compete, but we will try to help one another para mas mahimong sulit ang atong intervention, whatever intervention you have there. Of course, towards excellence in local governance.